We guide you through how to find deleted friends on Snapchat so you can reconnect with them easily. First thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone and tap search icon at the top of the screen. Type the username or display name of the friends you think you deleted. If they appear in the search results, you can tap add friend to re-add them. You can also check your friends list or quick add suggestions as Snapchat may recommend people you've interacted with previously. If you don't remember their username, try checking old chats, screenshots, Bitmoji links, or your contact sync with Snapchat. Once found and added back, your friend will be restored to your list, allowing you to resume chats and stories. This method helps recover connections without permanently losing contact with friends you remove.